I want you to look at that. Rain in late June in California. Amazing. Look at these puddles. Look at this. This is awesome. You gotta love rain in the middle of the summer. Look at this. Oh wait, this is weird. Why is it not raining over here? Huh. This is bizarre. It's like a cloud is over here, but not over here. It's raining over there. Let me check again. Yeah, definitely raining over here. Definitely. But over here, no rain. What's going on? I don't understand. What's going on here? Wait a minute, I know what's going on. That's summer fog getting condensed. So these are not redwood trees, but they're Monterey pines. They kind of act the same way. They get nice and tall. They have lots of surface area. The fog blows through. Here comes the fog through my hands. And I'm not standing here. I don't have enough surface area to really condense the water. But looky here. Looky up here. See all the water condensing? I'm gonna get run over. Gotta be careful. You don't want to get run over. Heck no. No way. Yeah. So again, there is that beautiful fog. It's just a miracle how it just rolls in off the bay. I'm up in the Berkeley Hills on Grizzly Peak, going to a job on a Sunday because camera won't work. I can't zoom out. I'm sorry. Because I'm extremely dedicated. But anyway, I wanted to share with you. You can see the fog rolling across. Can't zoom out. I've got a super zoom going. People ride their bikes up here through the fog. Yeah, zoom won't work. Sorry. But yeah, anyway, this is what happens, people. The taller the tree, the more surface area, the more it can capture from the fog. The fog will dissipate and die out as it goes inland. But it's really quite a miracle. And that's what keeps a lot of these plants alive in otherwise desert conditions for 7 months. There's virtually no rainfall for 7 months, except the fog. Basically, the way the fog happens is offshore, the water is warmer. The reason the water is warmer offshore, the ocean, is because of the Coriolis effect. Coriolis effect is basically the earth spinning and the ocean water trying to stay in the same place. Just like if you spin a glass of water, then you end up with a situation where the water runs across the equatorial zone from east to west, runs into Asia, splits. Part of it goes down, part of it goes up through the over by Japan, runs up above Japan, the Aleutian Islands, runs out of room, hits Alaska, gets spun back down. By the time it's up in Alaska, the water obviously cooled off from when it started in the equatorial zone. That water then comes down the North American continental edge, western continental edge, and follows the coast, this cold current, the Humboldt current. Is it the Humboldt current? I think is that the southern? Anyway, cold current comes down the coast. And then we get that water delivered to us right off the bay, which is just this way. And remember, I can't. Oh no! Now it works. Yeah. So it comes off the bay, and then it runs across. Look at this mimulus, you guys. This is a whole other story. Native California mimulus. Let's talk about it once right here. Is the mimulus condensing water? It is. Look at that. See that? It's condensing water right there. I could drink that. Fresh, clean water. Sky. But you can look down here, and there is a little bit of a wet spot. Did I just cause a full-on avalanche? But yeah, So the water comes off the fog, or the air moves inland because inland is hot and offshore is cool. So you'll have suction of air from cold to warm because of the pressure differential. The air rising where it's hot and causing a sucking action. So that draws the air across from the warmer temperature waters offshore, and then it draws that warm air across that cold current right on the edge of the coast. And then just like when you blow out cold air out of your mouth or warm air out of your mouth, warm moist air out of your mouth on a cold day, it condenses and you'll see the little fog. Same thing happens. That warm moist air will come and hit that cold air zone. It'll condense into fog. Then it slams into the coast, and this is the first mountain range that it hits. And it's probably about 2,000 feet or so. And the next thing you know, you've got rain if and only if you have a tree above you. So that's the magic of the summer fog. It happens a lot. These Mediterranean climates, especially happens in Chile, coastal Peru. Yeah, but it gives life to a lot of things that otherwise couldn't survive. So that's the story of California fog and condensation, survival and adaptation. California redwood is the best of all because it stands the tallest, condenses the most amount of water than any other plant in the world. And remember, please share the road.